Five skeletons went out one night over the graveyard far from sight. A crazy witch was brewing yummy stew. Green skeleton then danced to the groove. Four skeletons went out one night over the mansion far from sight. One got wind then scared him boom. Yellow skeleton danced to the groove. Three skeletons went out one night over the woods and far from sight. The mommy screamed out all night through. Pink skeleton then danced to the groove. Two skeletons went out one night over the cave and far from sight. A monster greeted them. How do you do? The blue skeleton then danced to the groove. One skeleton went out one night over Teehee Town and far from sight. He sang and laughed and danced again, then said bye to Minnie and Len. Bye-bye!
Huh? Ah! Ah!
Ow!
Ah!
Huh?
Oh.
Aha!
Huh?
Locating
Ah.
robot family, finger family.
Activated.
Yay! Daddy finger, where are you?
How do you do? Need a minute to defrag. Need a minute to defrag.
Mommy finger, where are you?
Has anyone seen my oil? Has anyone seen my oil?
Brother finger, where are you?
How do you do? Where is my heart? Where is my heart?
Sister finger, where are you?
Password protected. Password protected.
Baby finger, where are you?
How do you do?
Huh?
Dance, dance, do the robot dance. Dance, dance, do the robot dance.
Happy family, robot family, where are you?
Here we are.
Authentication code accepted.
How do you do?
Ah!
Huh?
Huh?
Where are you? It's time to reboot.
Huh?
Yay!
Locating color robots, skeleton robots, go.
3, Activate to dance. Red robot, where are you?
Watch me do the cool dance. Watch me dance. Dance.
Green robot, where are you?
Let's move, move like a robot.
Blue robot, where are you?
How do you do? Dance to the beat. Dance, dance to the beat.
Yellow robot, where are you? Pink robot, where are you?
How do you do? Dance, dance to the robot dance. Dance, dance to the robot dance.
Skeleton robots, color robots, where are you?
Here we are.
Let's dance and groove.
How do you do? Dance, groove, dance, groove, dance. It's time to reboot.
Hi, I'm Len.
I'm Minnie.
Are you ready, kids? Let's go to Teehee Town.